Hello guys, Bernard Obimboateng here. I like working with dashboards, so let's jump into it and let me show you one trick you can use in creating your dashboard. So I have this multiple account personal finance dashboard. It actually shows you the balances in your various bank accounts, right? So I have 3 bank accounts here. I have a slicer. But what I want to do is that in this top chart that shows the cash balances, I want the user to focus on the month where we had the highest cash balance, and vice versa, color in a different way the month where we had the minimum cash balance, right? So I'm going to show you how to apply this color interactively. Now, to do that, let's go back end and then see the data that gave us this chart. So this is the data. I'm going to cut the chart. So I'll take this chart, Control X, cut it, bring it right here so you see what happens to it if we apply these dynamic colors. Now, pretty easy. What I want to do is just add 2 extra columns, right? So one for min and then the other for max. So this is going to be an extended chart source. I'll apply my border lines. Okay. Now my formula. So basically what I want is, if the value that I have here is the minimum in this range, it should throw it up. Otherwise, it should return an NA, right? So I'll do an if this value I've selected is the minimum in this whole range, F4 to lock this range, okay? Then I want you to return this value. Otherwise, return an NA, right? So you close the bracket for NA, then you close your regular brackets. So this I'm going to copy down, so I expect the minimum number to pop up here, right? I'm going to repeat the same formula. This time around, I'm just going to swap min for max. So instead of min, I'm going to do max, okay? And then I'll copy this down, right? So just like that, you have your minimum point and your maximum point. At this point, your job is done. You just copy these 2, Control C, select your chart, and you paste. Voila. So now you can see I have some extra labels here. So if I delete these extra labels, okay, I now have that interactive color, green in this case for my highest point, and then red or orange in this case for my lowest point. Let's see how this connects to our slicer. So I'll cut this again and then bring it back to where it was, right? So if I select this first bank, you see that August was my minimum, December was my highest. This again, right? So that is a very good way to show your user where to focus. Hopefully you learned something, and I would like to see it in your dashboard. Thank you so much for joining us.
If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.